doing it. It's for me. Hello guys. So today I'm going to tell you why you should not buy the Hunter Oakhurst ceiling fan. They are bad because they go very, very slow. 2, they don't push out any air. 3, they're cheap Hunter fan out there. So never buy these fans. I'm serious guys. Because these fans are really slow. They don't push out any air. They are very cheap as for a Hunter fan. And that's why you should not buy a Hunter Oakhurst ceiling fan. Because the way I just said. What I just said. So yeah. That's pretty much it on why you should not buy it. So yeah. Yeah, there you have it. See? Thanks for watching and goodbye.